One of my joys in life is to find unique architectural properties that need some love. The bones are there, there's something special, there's a real soul to it, but it needs to be brought into 2021. And that's what I've done here. I fell in love with the property when I drove up that elevated driveway with the pond to the left and this magnificent Greek Revival house that was straight ahead and a beautiful barn on the left. It was too cute for words. It's 150 acres of rolling hills, 70 which are being hayed about a half an hour from Hudson and 2 hours from Midtown New York. The Greek Revival house dates from the 1860s when it was a working farm. There are several outbuildings. One of the outbuildings I've turned into a studio. It had once been a barn, then a dance studio, and there's such a lovely contrast here between the classic proportions of the Greek Revival house and the rustic openness that you find in the studio. I wanted to make the studio feel like a New York loft, if a New York loft was in the middle of the farm field. The main house and the studio were gut renovated in 2020. Everything was done. Plumbing, electricity, mechanicals, kitchens, bathrooms, you name it, it's been renovated. So when doing a renovation, the question is always, well, what do you keep and what do you change? Obviously, you need amenities like internet and heating, but you want to keep the things that have personality, that have a soul. So the wide plank floors, the intricate moldings, the old windows that are so beautiful because there's waves in them. In the main house, there are 6 bedrooms and 4 baths. I specifically designed it to give you as many options as possible. So if you want to live in the house and rent out a portion of it, it separates easily, and there are 2 kitchens. If you want to live in a single family home that's quite grand, then that works great too. So if you're looking for a very special property that's been beautifully renovated, that's close to some really nice towns and not too far from this city, give me a call. This might just be the perfect home for you.